is I'm on my front porch. I'm going to do my 5 yoga poses in nature. I'm doing this as a challenge to myself. Today, nature is my front porch. I did my 4 breaths. So I'm going to do triangle pose. So your feet are wider than hip width apart. And then the way that I looked the triangle pose up this time was you're going to the same side. Today my front porch was used as a dance party with my granddaughters, so that was fun. So I did get out and do movement earlier today. I really feel bad for my neighbors, but they don't really know that I do 5 yoga poses in nature. They just see me bending over on my front porch, if they're noticing at all. So the tabletop is trying to keep my head straight with my arm. And again, bending my knees to swoop up. And then the pyramid pose is again the wide triangle leg with, instead of like when I do the triangle pose, both my ankles are forward. But when I'm doing this pyramid pose, what feels the best, and I forget to go back and look it up, is my foot going this way in the back like an anchor, and then the way that I'm bending, my knee is not in a lunge, it's a straight legged pose, knees soft but not locked, but not in a lunge. And then both arms are going in the direction with the toes slightly pointed in the way that I'm bending. And the way that I'm breathing is specific to breathing down into the lower part of my lungs and makes my belly rise. And then when I breathe out, I'm tucking my belly button in toward my spine. So then when I go to the other side, this foot goes in the direction that my leg normally goes. Then I'm going to bend this way, and both hands go on either side of the foot. And again, I am not a yoga instructor. Doing yoga is teaching me how to do yoga. And then the last pose is just mountain pose again. And I get to roll my shoulders back to make it more comfortable for my palms to be forward and facing out. Mountain pose, palms facing out and downward. Thank you guys for joining me, and enjoy life. Look at that pretty blue sky.